Hello, this is Slim Truth. I am an Orlando-based spoken word artist. I started this poetry journey about 5 years ago, and it first began as a little bit of a hobby. I was just immersed in the community of watching other people perform, and I went home and I was like, I can do this. Let me try my hand at it. And I always loved writing, but I never thought I had much of an actual voice, to take that next step. I kept writing and I became friends with these poets that I will watch on stage. And then little by little, I started getting up there myself. I was a nervous wreck the first few times. And then after a while, it became very comfortable. And now it is my happy place. I got to where I am today by practicing a lot, writing a lot, keeping my pen sharp and my mind sharper. So even when I'm not preparing for a show, I am still writing and I am still performing for my mirror, and it's always staying ready.